Hi everyone, Dav Spear here from Smiths in Swansea, and today we're in the Crescent. The property we're situated in today is a 3-bed semi-detached, which is immaculately finished throughout. Take a little look around and see for yourself. We're on the first floor now, and the property comprises of 3 bedrooms on the first floor with a family bathroom as well. We're standing in the 3rd bedroom at the moment. As you can see, it's dressed perfectly as an office. Perfect for our current market, I think. So that was our property in the Crescent. 3 beds, semi-detached, driveway, garage, and a large rear garden as well. The property, as you can see, is a show home finish, so all you need to do is pick up those keys and move in and place your furniture wherever you need them to. If this would be of interest to yourself, friends or family, please get in touch. Our number is on the screen, my mobile is there. Give our office a call, and I look forward to speaking to you.